In this video, we'll be making a vegetarian buckwheat noodle, also known as soba noodles. Buckwheat is a whole grain, similar to quinoa. Buckwheat noodles that we can find in stores are not made of 100% buckwheat flour. Rather, they are mixed with some percent of wheat flour to allow the noodle making easy with some gluten. The ingredients we'll be using are buckwheat noodles, light soy sauce, sesame oil, honey, sesame seed, dried seaweed, green onion, cucumber, carrot, and boiled eggs. We start by slicing the cucumber and cutting the slice into matchstick cuts. Do the same with carrots. Chop the dried seaweed into thin pieces to use as a garnish. Mince 2 stalks of green onion. Cut the boiled eggs in half. When done cutting one egg, wipe the knife with a wet cloth to remove the sticky yolk between cuts. Now, we prepare the sauce. First, get a large mixing bowl. Pour the soy sauce, water, and honey in, and mix them together. Once the liquids are mixed well, then add the green onion, and let the green onion absorb the sauce. Lastly, add the sesame oil and mix it well. Next, boil some water and add the noodles in. Stir the noodle to prevent them from sticking together. After about 5 minutes, grab one noodle and check by cutting it to see if it is cooked. If it is cooked, there will be no white center left in the noodle. Prepare icy water in another large bowl. Take out the cooked noodle and transfer them to the icy water. This cold bath shocks the noodle and it preserves the elasticity of the noodles. Next, strain the noodle and make sure to remove any excess water. Now, add the noodle to the sauce bowl and mix the two together to evenly cover the noodles in the sauce. Finally, we plate the noodle with cut vegetables and the eggs. Garnish the noodles with roasted sesame seeds and chopped seaweed. Go and enjoy your healthy, delicious buckwheat noodle.